Pictory AI tutorial. Create stunning videos in minutes. Intro 15 seconds. Musical note upbeat background music. Host. Hey everyone. Welcome to Nikita Teach channel. Today, I'll show you how to create amazing videos using Pictory AI, a powerful tool that turns text into stunning videos in minutes. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. Signing up and dashboard 45 seconds, screen recording. Signing up and dashboard overview. Host. First, go to Pictory.ai and sign up for a free trial or log in. Once inside, you'll see a clean dashboard with options like script to video, article to video, and more. For this tutorial, we'll use script to video. Step 2. Creating a video 1 minute 30 seconds. Screen recording. Copying the script and pasting it into Pictory. Host. Now, paste your text script here. Pictory automatically splits it into scenes and adds visuals. You can change the layout, fonts, and even choose AI-generated voiceovers. Show stock footage selection. Host. Click on any scene to change the footage. You can also upload your own media or use Pictory's built-in stock library. Show text customization. Host. Want to highlight important words? Simply click on the text, adjust colors, or add animations. Step 3. Adding voiceover and music 1 minute. Screen recording. Selecting AI voice and adding background music. Host. Now, let's add a voiceover. Choose from AI voices or record your own. You can also adjust the speed and tone. Screen recording. Adding music. Host. To make it more engaging, select a background music track from Pictory's royalty-free library and adjust the volume to balance the audio. Step 4. Final touches and export 45 seconds, screen recording. Preview and export. Host. Preview your video to make sure everything looks perfect. Once satisfied, click Generate and let Pictory process your video. You can download it in HD or directly share it on social media. Outro 30 seconds. Host. And that's it. In just a few minutes, we created a professional video using Pictory AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and comment below with any questions. See you in the next video. Musical note outro music plus subscribe animation.